Macadamia nuts, like other nuts, offer a range of health benefits and may play a role in preventing or managing certain diseases. Macadamia nuts are extremely nutrient-rich. They are high in healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamins, and minerals, and they contain antioxidants and fiber. This makes them not just tasty but also a great addition to a healthy diet. Let us look at the top 9 health benefits of macadamia nuts. At number 1. Improves heart health. Macadamia nuts are high in monounsaturated fats, which are known to reduce overall cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Macadamia nuts contain potassium, which can help in regulating blood pressure. Potassium is known to counteract the effects of sodium in the body and relaxes the walls of blood vessels, reducing the risk of high blood pressure. At number 2. Helps with diabetes. The healthy fats in macadamia nuts can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a good snack option for people with diabetes. Additionally, their low carbohydrate content and high dietary fiber contribute to better glycemic control. Macadamia nuts contain magnesium, a mineral that plays a role in glucose and insulin metabolism. Adequate magnesium intake is associated with a lower risk of type 2 diabetes, as it can improve insulin resistance. At number 3. Improves digestive health. The dietary fiber in macadamia nuts can promote bowel regularity and support a healthy digestive system. The fiber in macadamia nuts can also act as a prebiotic, providing food for beneficial gut bacteria. Healthy fats in macadamia nuts can aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. At number 4. Reduces risk of cancer. Macadamia nuts are rich in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and tocotrienols, which can help protect cells from oxidative damage. The high content of monounsaturated fats in macadamia nuts is beneficial for overall health and may also play a role in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. At number 5. Improves brain health. The high levels of monounsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids in macadamia nuts may contribute to brain health and could potentially reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. These fats are essential for maintaining the health of neurons and supporting cognitive function. At number 6. Improves skin health. Macadamia nuts are a source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that is vital for skin health. It can help protect the skin from oxidative stress caused by environmental factors like ultraviolet radiation and pollution. At number 7. Improves hair health. The nutrients in macadamia nuts, particularly fatty acids and vitamin E, can contribute to healthy hair. They may help in strengthening hair, promoting hair growth, and reducing hair breakage. At number 8. Improves muscle health. Magnesium in macadamia nuts is important for muscle health. It helps with muscle contraction and relaxation and can prevent muscle cramps and fatigue. And finally, at number 9. Improves bone health. Macadamia nuts are a good source of minerals like magnesium and calcium, which are important for bone health. Macadamia nuts are high in calories and fats, even though these are mostly healthy fats. Consuming them in moderation is important, especially if you are monitoring your calorie intake for weight management. Like all small and hard foods, macadamia nuts can be a choking hazard, especially for young children. Macadamia nuts are toxic to dogs and possibly other pets. Even small amounts can cause health issues in dogs, such as weakness, vomiting, and hyperthermia. Keep them out of reach of pets. Integrating macadamia nuts into a balanced diet, in moderation, can be a simple yet effective step towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Macadamia nuts are a perfect example of how enjoying the simple pleasures in life, like a delicious, healthy snack, can also be a step towards a happier, healthier you. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.